Leadership is hard work. If you aren't actively cultivating yourself as a leader, chances are you're losing ground. Your leadership cannot stay here. You've got to move yourself toward there. That's why my team and I make it a priority every year to be actively engaged with the Global Leadership Summit. The full lineup for our 2016 summit includes Melinda Gates, Alan Mulally, Bishop T.D. Jakes, Horst Schulze, Dr. Travis Bradbury, Aaron Meyer, Wilfredo De Jesus, Patrick Lencioni, Chris McChesney, Danielle Strickland, Jossie Chaco, John Maxwell, and myself. Everyone wins when a leader gets better. Do whatever it takes to bring your entire team to the summit. You'll become more effective as a leader, taking your organization from here to there. See you at the summit.